I've come to visit Mapsa's Goa Electronics Limited office today to collect my Form 1 and 14 regarding my property matters. I've been told that the internet server is down. So I asked him how many days is this problem. He says it's from several days. It's a great inconvenience. Now I may be a young guy, but what about the senior citizens who have to make repeated trips to the office? खूप त्रास जाता लोकांक हांगासर परत येवपाक पडटा सर्वर ना आतां इलेक्शनाक टायमार खूप आश्वासन दिता पॉलिटिशियन पूण इलेक्शन गेले चलून गेले लोकांची काय परत वचूंक ना दे नॉट बॉर्डर्ड नॉट कन्सर्न अबाउट द पीपल कॉमन मॅन हेज टू सफर अ लॉट प्राइसेस ऑफ द फॉर्म्स ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे what was earlier 40-50 rupees is now gone to 200 300 500 rupees. Various government departments, they have put up boards, service guarantee, that within so many days they are supposed to give the documents, but it's never being done. The boards are only on paper, promises made by the government, whichever government it may be, political parties, assurance is always on paper. Common man continues to suffer. Come elections or no elections. Now in the hot summer heat, many people come from Bombay and other parts of the world to do their document works and property matters here in Goa. Be it the Mapsa office here in North Goa or the Margao and other offices elsewhere in Goa. But inconvenience is faced to them. The poor workers, employees of the Goa Electronics Limited have nothing to do. They say we have informed the higher-ups. But have the higher-ups taken cognizance of it? Why is it the delay? For so many days now, 1 day, 2 days you can understand, but I believe it's over 1 week now, this matter has not been solved. Kindly to the media, I hope the concerned authorities appeal to the Revenue Minister, Mr. Baboosh Monserrat, Chief Minister Sawant, proactive gentleman after late Manohar Parrikar. Chief Sawant ji, मातशें माहिती घ्या, inquire कर आणि रोखतेच सुटावे कर. कित्याक Parrikar was a very good gentleman. He should take immediate notice of the people's problems. That's why Parrikar was loved and respected not only in Goa but throughout India because he should take prompt action. I have personal experience with Manohar Parrikar ji taking prompt action into my complaints. But sadly to say, after Parrikar is dead and gone, the BJP is no more the same. But Sawant and the rest of the ministers who have all joined the BJP from the Congress party are not fulfilling the ideals and the wishes of late Manohar Parrikar. Sad, very sad.
Okay. Your name, please?
Thank you. Gary Azevedo.
You from?
Sukur, Porwari.
Currently, 140 bomb. किती आलो सध्या?
ते सांगता कनेक्टिविटी ना आणि खूप दीस जाले कनेक्टिविटी ना सांगता आमी हांगा पयसतान वतान हे गर्मेन हांगा येता आनी हे पयले फावट न्ही खूब जायते फावटी हांगा येता कित्याक हांव विलेजीन एक्टिविस्ट आसा जायते फावटी हेंची कनेक्टिविटी ना केन्ना फॉर्म 1 and 14 मेळना केन्ना प्लान मेळना डिजिटायझेशन जाल्ल्या उपरांत चड वाडत गेला हे इतले त्रास जाता आमकां लोकांक वतान येवपाक जाय हांगासर पेट्रोल खर्च करपाक जाय वेळ पिड्ड्यार करपाक जाय आनी हांगा आयले की हेंच्यांनी सोंपेपणी सोंपें जालें हांकां सांगपाक चलना आनी कितें न्हू वेळ पिड्ड्यार न्ही आमचो
त्रास जाता
खूब त्रास जाता न्ही आमकां लोकांक आतां हांगासर पयशे तेंच्यांनी आदी आमकां प्लांत 5 रुपया किंवा 20 रुपयांक मेळटाले आतां त्या 200 रुपया 300 रुपया 400 रुपया गेल्या पूण सर्वीस सारकी डावन जाल्या एके वाटेन आमी पयशे सुबेज दिता पूण सर्वीस बिलकूल ना खूब त्रास जाता लोकांक हे सरकारान हेचेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय आनी GEL जे म्हणटा गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड तेंच्यांनी पळोवन घेवपाक जाय कित्याक हे परते जाता पळय ते हांगासर
मारगांव सेम प्रॉब्लेम जाला
सिनियर सिटीजन आसा कशें हें करपाचें आमी कशें आमचे बाकीचे सगळे कामां करपाची खूब त्रास जाता आमकां हांव कंप्लेंट बुकार बरयला तें पळोवन घेवचें ऑफिसरांनी
नांव कितें
म्हजें नांव आल्वितो डिसेल्वा हांव गांवांत पोंबुर्तेचो